Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, focus on active recall. Instead of just rereading, try to retrieve information from memory. This significantly strengthens your understanding. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. Reviewing material at increasing intervals helps cement it in your long-term memory. Finally, ensure your study space is organized and quiet, minimizing potential interruptions. Effective planning is crucial for success. Begin by setting specific, realistic goals for each study period, perhaps aiming to cover 2 chapters or solve 10 problems. Then, break down larger tasks into smaller, more digestible segments. This makes the material less overwhelming. Remember to schedule regular breaks, perhaps 15 minutes after every 1 hour of focused study, to maintain concentration and prevent burnout. Engage actively with your study material. After reading a section, try to summarize it aloud or write it down in your own words without looking at the text. A powerful technique is to explain concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Also, consistently work through practice problems to apply what you've learned, reinforcing your comprehension. Consistent review and self-assessment are vital for long-term retention. Make it a habit to revisit previously studied topics regularly, perhaps once every 3 days for new material. Actively test yourself using flashcards, practice questions, or self-made quizzes. Don't just check answers. Analyze your mistakes to understand why you got them wrong. This targeted approach helps you focus on areas needing improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.